Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so changes stick. Make sure your device is updated and you know the screen time passcode or Apple ID. Once ready, open Settings on iPhone or iPad. On Mac, open System Settings. Next, tap or click Screen Time to begin. If screen time is off, turn it on now and set a passcode. This ensures only authorized people can change content limits. Do this quickly so you can move straight into content restrictions. Now enforce Safesearch at the Safari level by enabling web restrictions. Under Screen Time, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions and enable that toggle, then choose Content Restrictions. Scroll to Web Content and select Limit Adult Websites. You can add specific allowed or never allow addresses for exceptions. This helps when a child needs access to a useful site that would otherwise be blocked. Make sure to save or exit. These settings restrict. Finally, reinforce filtering by turning on the search engine Safesearch. Open Safari, go to your search engine settings. On Google, use search settings and enable filter explicit results. On Bing or other engines, enable their Safesearch equivalent. Once done, test by searching for known explicit keywords in a private window to confirm filters are active. Make sure to lock screen time with a passcode so settings don't revert. If results still appear, clear Safari cache and verify content restrictions are correctly set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.